Clue in Unraveling the Phrase. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase that you might come across in day-to-day conversations in the English-speaking world, clue in. Ever wondered what it means or how to use it? By the end of this video, you'll know just that. The phrase, clue in, is made up of two words. 1. Clue, a piece of information or evidence that helps solve a puzzle or mystery. 2. In, a preposition that, in this context, is used to mean, to make someone aware of, or, to inform. When combined, the phrase, clue in, means to inform someone about something or make them aware of a particular fact or situation. Understanding a phrase is easier when you see it in action. Let's look at some sentences. 1. Could you clue me in on what happened at the meeting yesterday? 2. Meaning, can you inform me about what happened during yesterday's meeting? 3. I was clued in about the surprise party, so I didn't spoil the secret. 4. Meaning, someone informed me about the surprise party beforehand, so I didn't ruin the surprise. 5. They haven't clued her in about the changes yet. 6. Meaning, they haven't informed her about the changes yet. Clue in is often used with an object, like clue me in, clue her in, clue them in, etc. The phrase can be used in various tenses. For instance, clue in present, clued in past, cluing in present continuous. It's a colloquial expression, meaning it's used more in informal speech. You might not find it often in very formal settings or writings. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone say, clue me in, you'll know precisely what they're asking for. Language is full of exciting idioms and phrases, and understanding them helps in bridging cultural gaps. We hope this video clued you in on the phrase, clue in. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.